The 2019 McLaren 750 Lieutenant. After only 3 years on the market, the first-generation McLaren Super Series, mostly known for its 650S core model, was replaced in 2017. The second-gen supercar now has the 720S at its core, but more versions are set to follow. Arguably the most anticipated variant is McLaren's successor to the 675 Lieutenant. This supercar has yet to be officially confirmed, but an unveiling is expected to happen in the first half of 2018, most likely at the Geneva Motor Show. We just created a rendering of the Super Series' upcoming, range-topping model and put together a speculative review about what it may bring to the table. If the 675 LT is any indication, the recipe for the new LT model should be somewhat straightforward. McLaren will probably take the 720S and give it a more comprehensive aerodynamic.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.